Hi guys, Rich Pasini from Reseller News. Just want to go over something really quick with you guys. What's supposed to be coming or supposed to be happening, the change is going to be coming up with eBay for 2019 from what I understand from what I'm reading. I only got three windows open up there and I just want to go over them really quick. And there's a video that I would like you to check out if you have the time. I'm not going to play it because the video is about 25 minutes, 24 minutes, give or take, right? It's about 25 minutes rounded out. With Kathy Terrell on there, and I'm going to give you just talk a little about it, and then I'm going to give you the URL, and you can check it out for yourself. This post here was there's two of them over here. Now this one was from November 7th. Okay, I think I kind of like switched them around a little, so we'll start with this one first. I think I talked to you about it earlier in my other videos on the Reseller News about this here, but I just thought I'd share this with you because I just want to expand a little and see because. For those who are thinking about bailing out on eBay, you might want to just I'm not saying reconsider, or I know it sounds like I'm contradicting myself, but the more I read into it and listening to the video with Kathy Terrell, she's, I don't know if you guys are familiar with her, she's got I think a Facebook page called I Love to Be Selling. She's also in the eBay Top Rated Sellers group. I invited her and I'm glad to have her as one of our members. Very informative. You get a lot of good information from Kathy. She's a long-time seller, from what I understand, and she's got good advice and good information when it comes to online selling. But these here, for all intents and purposes, this is from ecommercebytes.com. I think I mentioned to you before, many times before. This is probably one of my most favorite sites I get all my information from. This one came out November 7th, 2018. If you notice, I like to always throw dates in there, folks. And the reason why I do that is to let you know that this is pretty much new content. It's not old news. Now, I do, and there have been in my videos, been talking about things that are like, a couple of years, maybe 3 or 4 years older, like from 2013, 2014, whatever. There may be certain things I may expand on, and it may protract to those days, those dates, where it's older. But for all intents and purposes, this one here is for November 7th, and it's the new head of eBay seller experience details major changes. I'm not going to read all these all this text verbatim. I'm going to expand a little on it, and then I'm going to just give you the URL. I want to make this a really quick wrap-up video, so I don't want to take too much of your time. I know it's the weekend. You guys are busy, probably doing whatever, spending time with your family, your loved ones, so I don't want to take too much of your valuable time up. But anyway, just moving right along over here, it says eBay's new Vice President Seller Experience, Harry Temkin, revealed in an eBay interview on Wednesday changes that will be coming to the marketplace and described how they will impact sellers. Now, when you hear impact, right away we're thinking, is it going to hurt sellers? Is it going to be beneficial to sellers, and so on and so forth? To me, I know the CEO Devin Wennick he's been getting a lot of rhetoric towards him, thinking that he's gonna he's hurting the company, he's hurting eBay, and so on and so forth. I don't know all the dynamics behind it, what his thoughts are. I only go by what I read off these sites. I do some research and stuff like that, but I believe from reading in between the lines, so to speak, I think he does want to help out, try to help the sellers out. I think a lot of people say they're more likely, eBay is more for the buyers. But I think, when you really think about it, I think he does, or in general, does take a role or a part into looking after the sellers. Because let's face the facts, folks. If we're not making sales, it's got to be hurting eBay's business as well, because what happens is if we keep dropping like that, there are going to be people quitting eBay and dropping off in it. And I don't blame them. I mean, I myself thought about the same time. I thought about that as well, about getting off of eBay altogether. But I'm like the underdog. I like to hang in there and give it a chance. Give it a little time and see what happens. See how it works out. But it goes on to say here, eBay CEO Devin Wennick brought his former colleague Thomson Reuters on board last month as he tries to revive growth. Okay, it goes on to say over here, with the background of financial information and technology, Temkin is tasked with helping Wennick achieve his vision for a more powerful central dashboard for sellers called Seller Hub. Okay, just moving down here a little here. As Temkin envisions sellers viewing the listings in the Seller Hub with real-time pricing data on one side and promoted listing sellings on the others. Okay, and then it says over here, and it's easy to see why Amazon's marketplace success is in part due to the fluid product pricing, but it also makes an incredible competitive place on which to sell, and making it easy for sellers to pay per play increases eBay's take rate. Here are the changes Temkins announced. Like I said, again, I'm just going to expand a little on each of these things, and then I'm going to give you the URL to the video, and I really would hope you guys could take the time and check it out. It's with this is in the New York City office, and I'll get to that in a second. But here's what the it's coming into play. Okay, the multiple TP, all right, multiple MTP, multiple top pick. Okay, I'm not going to read. I'm just going to read the highlights, and then you guys could check it out for yourself. Here's another one: price too high notifications and adjustments, seller initiated offers. Okay, buyer initiated offers, listing 1.0. Okay. Multi-user access and authentication, social sharing from Seller Hub, seller protections. I'm sorry. Okay, we got that one there, and you got a little video over here. You know what? I don't know if I should play this really quick. I guess we could just see it really quick. Let's see what this is all about, folks. I'm gonna have to mute my mic, and then we'll see what this is all about here. Hold on.
Because that's what enables
okay,
us
folks.
Really to
okay, that's the video. No, that's the thing I was talking. Okay, I didn't know they have it hyperlinked over here as well. I'm going to give the URL. You can see it was partly played. That's because I was listening to it. I was listening on YouTube. I didn't know it was on here. I didn't play this one on this video YouTube. This website page. Okay, apparently this is it here. I'm sorry. I thought it was going to be like a little thing, like a little caption, give you a little like a trailer type of thing about it, you know. But apparently not. So this is what's going to happen over here. Okay, so you're going to have an also seller protections here. Okay, and then it says over here, Temkins' presentation indicates a more fluid pricing and pay promoted listings. Our priorities for eBay in the year ahead. In the year ahead. So these are going to be the changes coming in play. Okay. And then the other one is here, just kind of reversing this around a little. This one came out November 9th. eBay launches seller-initiated offers and other features. It goes on to say over here, eBay launched a new capability for sellers, including the ability to make offers to shoppers who are watching their listings. Now, I talked about this in the reseller news today in regards to making an offer. That's why I thought maybe some of you guys out there may have had it. You may be taking advantage of it. Apparently, according to the video, I think there's only going to be a preferred amount of people going to be getting it. I didn't receive the notification. I thought I would be getting it, not from something special, but I thought I would, be getting it. I don't know if it was going to be like, so many people, top-rated people were going to get it, top-rated sellers, but it doesn't work like that. eBay's going to have their pick and choose of who they're going to send it to. But anyway, so it goes over here. eBay launched new capabilities for sellers, include the ability to make offers to shoppers watching their listings, but only making them available to a limited number of sellers for now. We blogged about it in some of the changes, yesterday that were announced. eBay's new head of seller experience, Harry Temkin, in a video recorded at eBay's New York office. Okay. It goes on to say here, edit price and quantity and custom labels. Okay. The other one is make offers to watchers, which we already talked about. Okay, and that other page we just left. And eBay also announced on Thursday and made it easy for sellers to advertise on their site through promoted listings. eBay is promoting their promoted listings for us to use. I don't know. I haven't really used it for folks per se. I don't know if you guys out there use it. Like I said it before in my other videos, I've been getting mixed emotions with it from other sellers. Some like it, some don't. Some think it's too, it's a waste of money. Some people feel it helps with sales, and some people say it don't. I don't know. I don't want to expand on that part because I never tried it. Okay, everybody has a different experience on this when it comes to selling. I could be, me and my brother used to talk about this here. You could have maybe 10 or 20 items, all right, of a particular, let's say you're selling a specific item, and there may be 10 or 20 people selling the same thing. You may have yours a lot cheaper, maybe a better picture, maybe it's a better condition than somebody else, and the person that's selling theirs for more money, maybe the condition might not be as good, and they're getting a sale and you're not. Don't figure. I don't know what to say. That's what happens. So we don't really know. I mean, I don't want to make, pass bad judgment on something if I never really used it. I know I said in my other videos, I don't really use promoted listings because, like I said, I don't want any additional costs and fees. It's bad enough we got to pay insertion fees and stuff like that. And all right, even though I have a starter store, right, so you get 100 free listings per month, but again, you know, that could all change too. You know, you never know. You know, it's, remember, eBay, it's their platform. They could change things around. They could, you know, increase the monthly on the starter store. And then if that happens, I will just cancel it out because for those who know me, I consider myself the frugal entrepreneur. So I don't want to spend any extra additional money, especially if money is very scarce and it's not coming in from making sales on eBay. But I just wanted to share this with you guys really quick. And this here is the one here. I got the window opened up. This is with Kathy Terrell, okay? She's the lady I was telling you about that is invited to our group, my group. She's a group member of the eBay Top Rate Sellers Group, and you're all welcome to sign up and join. It's an open forum for everybody. You don't have to be an eBay Top Rated seller. You could be an Amazon seller, Etsy, Poshmark, whatever. Any e-commerce, you're welcome to join. Like I said, I haven't been declining anybody. I will look at the people who do sign up with the eBay Top Rated Sellers Group, only to make sure that, you know, there are people coming in there that are, you know, dealing with sellers or have some kind of, you know, participation in the reselling field, you know. Otherwise, I really don't want people just coming in there just to hang out and, you know, try to promote their business. It'd be nice if you guys, you know, if people do sign up or join the group to be, you know, contribute. You know, if you could share some information or some experiences. I don't expect all the group members to do that, but if you can, that'd be great. You know, we want one for all and all for one, so to speak, right? But anyway, as you can see here, I'm going to drop the URL in the comments section. It is roughly 24 minutes and 35 seconds long. I'm not going to play it. Apparently, this was shot on her cell phone. That's what it looks like here because you can see it's the vertical one, not horizontal one. So these type of things when you videotape, and I wish this was the only thing I will say in regards to this video. It would have been nice if it was, you know, like a full screen rather than like this here, small like this here. You know, it's kind of like, I don't know. It doesn't make it too appealing to watch, to be honest with you. But it is what it is, you know. Maybe it was something on the fly, you know. They figured maybe set it up on a tripod or whatever and just use that's what it looks to me like, a cell phone type of thing. And but you know what? Whatever. Even if you listen to it in the background, if you don't want to watch it, whatever. But I recommend you guys check it out. It seems pretty good from what I understand. It seems like it's going to have pretty good things there, new features. Well, at least I hope they're going to be new features. And from what I understand, watching a good part of the video, this will take place in 2019, which is not too far off, as we all know. And hopefully, maybe, just maybe, these things will work where we will be able to make some sales. I think what's going on with with eBay's, you know, IT infrastructure, I think what's going on there is they're doing a lot of changes and updates and stuff, and I think with that is causing a lot of you know, may cause glitches or may cause some problems with slow sales and stuff like that. I don't know. It just seems kind of odd, though. I have to honestly say, you know, with this here, with the eBay going on, I think there is something definitely going on with eBay as far as, like, you know, with their system, because I mean, even though I'm looking forward to seeing what these new changes are going to do. Will it be helpful? Is it going to help increase sales? Is it going to stifle sales? I don't know. You know, I'm in limbo. I'm just like you guys out there. But the reason why I'm doing this video is I just want to, I did a little more research on it. I looked into it a little more. And I said, let me just, you know what? Let me throw this video out there to the new subscribers. And if you are new to selling on eBay or thinking about thinking about selling on eBay, maybe you might want to, you know, check this out for yourself prior to getting into it. It's really no big deal if you did start selling on eBay. I mean, to sign up, it's for free. It's no big commitment. The only time you got a commitment is if you sign up for a store where it's going to cost you monthly. But again, you could always quit. You know, you're not locked in. It's not like a signed contract where you're going to breach the contract. You know what I'm saying? You could always cancel at any time. You know, but it's always good to just have a little, you know, be a little preemptive on things. As that, you know, as far as like knowing what you're getting involved with prior to, you know, taking that plunge into eBay selling. I hope this information helps out, folks. Remember, if you get a chance, I'm going to drop this here, the URL, and I'll be in the comment section, and you could check it out for yourself, okay? Well, that concludes this video, folks. I hope you get something out of it. Check out the video if you get a chance. Let me know what you think. I would like to hear from you, get some feedback. If you think it's good, if you think it's going to help or not, we'll see what happens. It's all yet to be seen, right? And when you get a chance, while you're here, check out my reseller news for those who are new, or if you're not, please like, comment, and share with other people. And you can check out my other videos while you're here as well. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. This is Rich Pasini signing off. It's November 10th, 2018. Until next time, bye-bye now.